Check out this Ram 2019 1500 Classic. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include granite crystal metallic clear coat, 3.92 rear axle ratio, diesel gray-black premium cloth bucket seats included, full-length upgraded floor console, power lumbar adjust, folding flat-load floor storage, 115-volt auxiliary power outlet, bucket seats, rear 60/40 split folding seat, power 10-way driver seat, radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display included, Sirius XM Travel Link 1-year Sirius Travel Link service, USB host, flip Google Android Auto, 5-year Sirius XM Travel Link service, 5-year Sirius XM Traffic service, 1-year Sirius XM Guardian Trial Media Hub, 2 USB-O, HD radio, Sirius XM Traffic Plus, Sirius XM Satellite Radio, no satellite coverage in Hawaii or Alaska, GPS navigation, 8.4 inches touchscreen.